Failure is when you give up too soon. My name's Elizabeth Garvish. I'm the managing member of Garvish Immigration Law Group. I'm back with you on this Wednesday for a Wednesday win where I'm going to tell you about one win we've had in our immigration practice. This win today, we've had a case that's been open for 1,145 days. Now, that's not actually that long in immigration proceedings, but this could have been resolved much sooner. And it's a simple marriage case. The clients came to us in July of 2019. We filed their case August 2019. We received notice of an interview November 19, 2019. We attended the interview. I attended with them. The day of the interview, the officer approved the I-130. We were happy. A week later, we get a notice calling the clients back into USCIS. And we also received another notification of reopening of the I-130 alien relative petition case. The adjustment is still pending. My clients go back in, they do a mini Stokes interview separating them, and then we hear nothing until we receive a notice of intent to deny. We received that December 20th, 2021. I need my notes because these dates are crazy. We have 30 days to respond, and they added on some COVID time, but we responded on January 31st of 2022. Shortly thereafter, we received a denial of the case. My client, of course, was upset. We remained calm. I said we have a couple options. We can refile the entire I-130 and adjustment, start over from the beginning, or number two, we can file a federal lawsuit and challenge this case. They denied on one little tiny thing. It was definitely not using the preponderance of evidence, more likely than not standard, to show that this was a bona fide marriage. They said one little thing, which was one lease agreement was missing the husband's name, and they denied based on that. And we thought that wasn't good enough, and that wasn't following the burden of proof. I have litigation counsel that partners with me often to file these cases, and we filed the federal lawsuit. We did that in April of 2022. In June of 2022, we received a request for evidence. They wanted additional evidence of the bona fide. So we collected more evidence of the marriage. This marriage is now, they've been married, it's like 4+ years. And the I-130 was approved, August 16th. We met these people in July 2019. We've been through the ringer. I mean, just a lot of ups and downs emotionally. And for a simple, true marriage, no one believed us, but it was. The I-130 is approved. The last little thing, we got a phone call from the officer. They wanted the medical exam. We had to do a new medical exam, although I still believe under the guidance, our medical was okay. But the new requirement came in of the COVID vaccination. So my client also had to kind of grapple with, do I get the vaccination or do I wait and try to get a waiver of the vaccination requirement? She got the vaccination. She turned in her medical. We expect that green card in the mail anytime. It's been a long time coming, but this is a huge win for us. Listen, I'm gonna tell you this. Failure is when you give up too soon. And we never gave up, and you know what? We don't fail. And I'm not gonna promise you as your attorney that we're gonna have a perfect journey to your end goal in the immigration process, but I can promise you that you can trust us as your guide, because we'll get you through, because we don't give up. Have a great Wednesday.